If you want to enhance your security on Robinhood by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the security settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. Tap on it to view your current security settings, including the list of devices connected to your account. Step 4. Review connected devices. Once in the security settings, find the section that lists all devices currently connected to your Robinhood account. Review this list carefully to identify any old or unrecognized devices. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old devices you wish to remove. There should be an option to remove or log out of the device. Confirm your choice to ensure that the device is no longer connected to your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Robinhood security settings, helping to keep your account secure.